Hey, welcome everybody. Today I'm going to run through a demo of the MobilityRE platform. So for those of you that have just received your welcome email and are just receiving your app, I will walk you through what your app can do, how you can utilize it to generate more business, and also give it to your existing clients, past clients, and those that you're working with. So with that said, I'm going to jump right in here. Now, we all know, and I won't spend too much time on these statistics, that everyone's using their mobile device to search for homes. But a lot of buyers using Zillow, Trulia, Realtor.com, as we hear from agents, those are some of the last places that you want your clients searching. There's two major reasons for that. First reason is all your competitors show up on those apps, so you can lose your client to the competition. The second reason that you don't want your clients going to Zillow or Trulia or other places to search for homes is the data is inaccurate. So they're not tied directly to the MLS. So you might have buyers looking there that have found homes that have sold weeks ago, sometimes even months ago. So with MobilityRE, we're going to create and customize that app for you that's branded to you without any of your competitors, and we tie it in directly to the MLS, really making it the most accurate way that a consumer can search. Now, a couple other things that you'll notice with our platform is that we're able to capture and guarantee 100% accurate cell phone number leads without forcing that buyer to register, which is a great thing because most of the time when you force a registration, that buyer leaves and goes right back to Zillow, Trulia, or somewhere else. Now, we'll give you a back office where you can track and manage that lead and see exactly what those buyers have looked at, what price range, when, and obviously that cell phone number that we've captured. Now, as I mentioned, we've created and customized this app for you, shown here in the cloud. And then what we've done is created multiple portals or ways that the consumer can get your app and start using it. So the first is by texting in, and that's going to come from sign writers, mailers, social media. In addition, through the app stores themselves, so iTunes and Google Play Store. The third thing we'll do is integrate with your existing website. So we can put a section on your website that will say, searching for homes on the go, use my free mobile app. They pick which phone they want to have the app sent to, they hit get app, shoots a link right to their phone, captures their info in the process. The fourth portal is the mobile-to-mobile share. And that's going to allow you to share the app right from your own phone to that potential client's phone. So open houses and other scenarios will be successful using that. Now I'm going to jump back into the texting and explain how that works. We're going to create an app domain for each of you. So basically a name for your app. Now when you receive your welcome email, it will show you exactly what your app domain is. Now for the demo, I'm just going to use the word Home1. Now with that app domain that you receive, you're going to be able to start marketing it a bunch of different ways. Now for those of you that have listings, this is a great way to get new buyers coming in. As buyers drive through neighborhoods, there's two things they want. They want to know the price of the home and they want to see pictures of the inside. So we'll help you to get signs that will say for photos and price, text whatever your unique app domain is. Now this isn't a code specific per listing. This is your app domain that will take them into your app, give them that information of the home based on their GPS location. But the best part is once they come into the app, they'll be able to see not only the information of your listing, but all the other homes around, but it's all branded to you because it's your app. So you're the contact person no matter what home they look at. Now, in addition to the sign writers, there are a lot of other ways you can promote your app and get it out there and generate new buyer leads. So a lot of agents will push it on social media, Facebook, Instagram. Now, also those doing just listed or just sold mailers will promote their app there. We have a new feature that you can blast this to all of your Facebook contacts so that they can get your app. You'll capture their info, you'll track their activity, what they're doing, but they can also share it to their friends on Facebook. So it's a great way to get your app out there to a lot of people that are going to be looking for homes. Now, the way it will work when a buyer texts in, so if they're in front of a sign writer or they see it on a mailer, they're going to create a new text message and they're going to send it to phone number 32323. It's the same for all of our clients across the country. What will make you unique is that app name that we've given you. And again, you'll receive that in that email, that welcome email with that app domain. So the buyer will put that in as the message. They'll hit send. Within 2 or 3 seconds, they get this message back that says, hey, welcome. Click this link to view properties and get the free home search app. It'll have your name, your phone number, and the link. And as soon as they click that, it launches what we call the quick launch version of the app. Now, all that means is we open it in the browser of the phone instead of taking them to the App Store. And the reason we do that is if buyers are standing in front of a home, they don't want to wait for that app to download and install. They want to get that info instantly. So we'll open it in the browser, say, hey, hit this near me button to see properties near your location. It'll pinpoint where they're at and show them what they're in front of. But the best part for you as an agent is not only will it show them the home they're in front of, but we zoom the map out, they can see all the other homes in the neighborhood. And so often, buyers will look at your listing and say, it's a nice home, but out of our price range, or we need more bedrooms or baths, but we like the neighborhood. Well, now as they look at all the other properties in the neighborhood, it's all branded to you because it's your app. So you just became the contact person no matter what property they look at. And once that buyer's in, they realize, hey, I can get all the info I need with this app. We pop up this little download app button, which will then take them to iTunes, the Play Store. Well, they'll drop that icon right onto their phone. And we continually hear from agents, this is so much more effective than handing out a business card. Everyone always has their phone with them. Now when their friends ask them, who was it that helped with your home? They can click on your app, drops them in. There's your branding, your contact, all of your information. So we will customize this with your photo, your contact, all of your information. In addition, we can put the loan officer that you work with here on that app so that as buyers come in, they can click there, go to the lender section, which gives them a mortgage calculator and the ability to put in some additional info and get a pre-approval started. It's a great way to get these buyers qualified and approved as all these new leads are coming into your app. Now on the map search, they'll be able to hit map search and search different properties from the map view. Now we have created in this new interface the best way for a consumer to search. Now in previous apps and other apps out there, they have to toggle back and forth between the map. They click on a property, they go through some photos. If they don't like it, they have to go back to the map. With this interface, it allows them to do all their searching right from the map. So they'll click on a property, it'll give them the thumbnail. From there, they can actually swipe through all the photos on that thumbnail. Now, if they like it, they can click on it and see the larger images and all the additional information. But again, remember now, with this being your app, no matter what home they click on, you're the contact over here with your phone number. They can text you, call you, or email you. Now they can narrow that search down by bedrooms, baths, price, square footage. As they narrow that down, it'll show them the properties that match that search criteria. When they like a home, they'll click on it for the full details. They can even click request showing. That will send them send you an instant text and email notification saying, hey, this buyer wants to go see 15 Skycrest tomorrow at noon. And we've created a home alert for you. This allows your app to send potential clients properties that match their search criteria as soon as it hits the market. So they'll click on create new listing alert. It'll drop them in, say just drag the map to the area you want to find your home in. They'll hit next, narrow that by bedrooms, baths, price, square footage. It'll ask them if they'd like to receive those notifications via text, email, or both. They'll save that. Now, every time a property hits the market that matches their search criteria, it's going to shoot them a message and letting them know, hey, a new property just hit that matches exactly what you're looking for. Now, the huge advantage with this platform and with your app is that we're receiving this data now in real time from the MLS. So we're going to be able to send your client that property as soon as it hits the market, which is so much quicker than they're going to receive it from other searches, Zillow, Trulia, other websites. Typically, that will search each night and give them that information the following day or later that night. We're going to do it in real time. So it's a huge advantage for you to give it to your clients and say, you're going to want to use this because you're going to see this home far before, hours or days before others are going to see the properties that match your criteria. Now you can also share the app with these clients, and you can do that from open houses or other scenarios. We've had agents with a lot of success as they sit open houses to say, hey, let me share this free app with you. It's tied right to the MLS. It's much more accurate than Zillow or Trulia. What was your name? Let me grab your phone number. I'll shoot it right over to you. That way, as you're driving neighborhoods this weekend, you can see really what's available and on the market. You'll share that. It goes right to their phone. The best part is now as they walk out of that open house down the street, they look at any other property, request more information. It's going directly to you because it's your app and you're the contact person there. Now, the people you share the app can also share it with others, and it will generate more and more buyer leads that come in. You'll get notified by a text and email of anyone that's come into your app. Now, every time that they come in, you receive that text, you can open it and see view lead details. It'll give you all the information of what buyers have used your app, what homes they've looked at, when, what price range. We've even created some pre-populated responses and messages that you can customize to send in that first 5 to 10 minutes saying, hey, thanks for using the app. Did you get the info you needed? Or would you like to go see this property? Now, that's the run-through of the app. If you have any additional questions, feel free to reach out to us at support@mobilityre.com or contact us at 855-858-0590. The last thing that I'll stress is with your new app, you're going to want to share it with everybody. No matter what lead sources you have, you're going to want to share your app because it's branded to you without your competitors, and it's tied to the MLS, which is more accurate than the others that are out there. You'll also want to put it on the new Facebook and social media widget, which will press this out to all of your contacts on social media. And the third thing is, if you have listings, you're going to want to get those sign writers and get it out there. So those are the 3 things you want to do with your new app. Again, if you have any additional questions, reach out to us at support@mobilityre.com or contact us at 855-858-0590. Thanks everyone for joining us today, and we look forward to talking to you.